National People's Party (NPP) State Working President Marcus Marak said that the allegations of sugar being illegally smuggled to Bangladesh were made to score political points ahead of the general election of the Lok Sabha. Marak said that there is a system in the government. If illegal things are being exported to Bangladesh, there's a system in customs and the BSF are monitoring the border. He further said that it was unnecessarily raised during the campaign for the Lok Sabha elections.
That was an allegation. It should not, because there's a system in the government. If illegal things are being exported to Bangladesh, there's a system, there's a custom to check that, and there's a BSF who's monitoring the border issues, the border there. So it should come out. So therefore, I think that is unnecessary issues which came up, which was raised, and then Chief Minister has already, taken a step there. If that kind of systems are there, it should be stopped totally. That is what I told you, that Honorable Chief Minister has already taken a decision that if this kind of systems are there, it should be stopped immediately, because otherwise we were depending on the BSF and then customs there. They're the one who monitors the border. So it should stop immediately. That's what Honorable Chief Minister has taken a decision.